Hey guys, welcome to Raja Makes Money. How are all my money makers doing? And we have another chicken winter day in the market. The chicken is back and Bitcoin right now is on fire. This is insane. All-time new high. A second ago, it just hit it, $46,700. I mean, this thing is all over the place. It is just moving. You can see here on the ticker and all the sale orders coming in and stuff. I'm thinking maybe we should sell some of it here really quick while it's 46.5. I mean, it's just insane what it's up today. Our Bitcoin, remember the other day we were down $11,000. We are now up $8,000 on our $50,000 Bitcoin investment. So from being down to 39,000, it's now 58,408, and that's with Bitcoin at the 45.9. A second ago, it was almost $59,000. This is just insane. Bitcoin is on a tear. It's just crazy right now. But hey, guys, welcome everybody. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Well, I talked to some of you guys yesterday, and hope everybody enjoyed the Super Bowl. Unfortunately, Brian in Denver did exactly what he was planning on and jinxing the Chiefs by going to the game. So, unfortunately, BOD is still bringing the bad luck to everyone. But, hey, guys, let's talk about the market. I mean, another update. A couple of stocks I sold out way too early. And thank you. A couple of our Patreon members in our new Patreon group have been putting in some stock tips. And I've been watching some of them. And plus, I have, obviously some of my own tips. And so much stuff out there, but I mean, it is just crazy how these stocks are going. So you know what? Let's get right into it. How did I make $142,000 today? Let me show you. I'll show you right now. So Jaguar is mounting a comeback. You know what? We may come out alive on this one. They're say this is a launching pad. Jeff Schwartz in the house is calling this he's building it up. It's coming back. We're going to see this $5, $6 on this one, this big SPAC deal. OPTI, I sold, I haven't sold out of that one. That one came back today. We almost have a profit from where we started. I just need 24 cents and I'll be profitable. But that one's starting to rally back a little bit. So it was nice to see that. Naked up a little bit today, still down. Maybe you'll get, you know what? Maybe we should just buy some more. We've had really good success when we buy Naked during the after hour market and then sell it in the morning. You can keep averaging down there. NW Biotherapeutics, we're still down a little bit on this one. This was our only loser today out of all our picks. Dark Pulse we got into. That was a Patreon member in our Facebook group mentioned that one. So I jumped in on it. I got 1 million shares and I'm already up $5,000. So that was a good start so far. Hopefully it keeps going. Gold Rich Mining up a little bit today. Nothing big. Jeff Schwartz of our Patreon group. And you guys, if you guys want, on my Patreon group, that's where I have my trades in real time. I was adding it up. About 10 different, almost 120 Patreons now, but about 10 of them sent me screenshots and were sending me some stuff today and talking to me. And I calculated between what I made today and all of them, we made almost $400,000 or $500,000 today as a group. So congratulations to all our Patreon members and anyone who would like to see my trades in real time. Remember, guys, this is for entertainment purposes only. This is just the trades I make and I share with you. But if you want to see what I'm doing in real time, just go to patreon.com/Raja Makes Money. So go over. So Jeff Schwartz gave us the PPJ. I thought he was wanted a peanut butter and jelly when I first saw this stock symbol come across. But nope, just PPJ Enterprise. So he said this is a good day trade one. So I got 1,000,008 shares. It's very cheap, half a cent. Already up $200. So we'll see where this one goes. Another one, Blue Spear Corp. This is another one that I'm hearing stuff about. So got into that one, already up $690. We sold a lot of stuff today. BANT, BANT. I actually bought some more earlier today on the momentum. I wish I would have held it, but then I had like a 50% profit, so I got out of it. CTYX, I got out the rest that we had at 19 cents. I'm still being told this thing could be 50 cents to $1. Maybe get a jump back in. Maybe if there's a little dip tomorrow, 17, 18 cents. Hard to say. GameStop, I'm still watching very closely to day trade. I still think it's got a lot of potential. OZOP, we got out of that one at 24. Then they had negative news Friday, and the thing's up more. Now people are saying $1 on this one. Who knows? there's a dip, may jump back in. Same with this one, TSO Therapeutic Solution, another one, almost 100% profit. I got in at 4 cents, sold it today at 7 because, like I said, the profit was there. And then I sell it, and now it's 10 cents. So I don't know. It's so hard. Sometimes, you know what somebody said is, if you make a profit, you made a profit. And I mean, I can't complain. I made, today $142,000 on it. And we broke the millions of $6 million up mark. So we're up at 6 million. So we broke the $1 million mark again. But it's tough because, like, when you're trading in such large amounts and so much stuff. And then our big play today is CCIV. Look at this, guys. We now have over 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9,500 contracts on this one. That's 950,000 shares of stock. So we have some in the profit already. Tomorrow, and look at this, guys. This is interesting. So CCIV was down today. Also, I want to apologize to everyone because I was talking. It's Lucid Motors who they're doing is the SPAC play on who they're hoping to acquire, and I said Lucifer, and that's because she was a girl I went to. Unfortunately, in the last week ago, she was a girl I went to high school with who passed away, and for some reason, I was just thinking Lucifer, not Lucid, but it's Lucid Motors. I want to clear that up. So. Make sure that you guys don't think the Raja is confused on his L's or what the name of the company is. But yeah, I mean, this is just crazy. I like this one. Look at this, guys. So we've already made off of this. We haven't sold any. Well, we did sell the 25s and we made that money. But if you look, we have over 100. So we've already made over 110,000 off of this. This is where a big part of our profit is. Today, it was about $77,000 of our profit. But I've got over, 600,000 more in play for the next 9 days. So you know what? I'm going to get this thing up. I just have a feeling about this one. This is going to be our big home run. But I will tell you this: if the 22 and a half tomorrow come down to around, they're at $1.02 today. They got as low as 92.5 cents. So I had another 24,000 on it. If those come down tomorrow to around between 80, 85 cents, I may close out like 1,400 contracts. But I'll just keep riding. I'm going to ride. I just want to have a ton of the 900, like the 15s, all this little stuff. I would rather have, because I don't think this thing has a lot of support at that $20, $22, but especially at 20. But, I got to be careful. I don't obviously want to get stuck with 1 million shares of this, but I don't know. This could be a home run. And the only thing that I don't like is that it trades monthly. It doesn't have the weekly options. But being 9 days out now, it's a lot better than when it was 3 weeks or 4 weeks out. Because this is the one I was watching. So it's funny, the 15s today are 17 cents. I was watching this stock when the 15s, a month ago were $3. So hopefully it's all coming together and looks good and stuff. So looking good. Golden Nugget today. I thought about closing this position or doing something, but you know what? It's cheap. It's not going anywhere. We're going to make this $1,700 more in the next 9 days. I think we're in great shape here. So just let it play out. IDX, Ideanomics, a new electric car company. This one too today, over $5. So I jumped in. I said, the 9 days out, the 900 contracts, and we already got money at 50 cents. I sold these for, so already a nice profit. It's 42 cents now. I think this company, everybody's saying 8, 10, maybe higher. I like it. I may buy another 9. If it dips a little bit tomorrow and they're back to 50 cents or something, I may buy another 900. I may buy another 900 contracts at 40 cents. You never know. I like these. They're small plays. And that's the whole thing. A lot of you guys are always asking for stuff that you can do or take advantage of. These are plays that you could buy one contract. It's, $42. You can buy 5 contracts for $200, and you only need a couple $100 in your account. So they're very, very cheap plays that you guys can do. Let's recap everything I did today. What a busy day. So I bought BANT into the upswing because, like I told you, the Raja likes to buy. When I see momentum and stuff going, I like to buy into those. So I bought in 500,000 more shares at 0.026 cents. Then I sold 900,000 shares at 0.03 cents, and I sold 600,000 my rest of my shares at 0.032 cents. So we're out of that one right now. This is the blue spear, 300,000 shares in at 0.025 cents today. CTYX, we got rid of the 100,000 shares at 19 cents. If that one does dip back to 15, 16 cents, we'll probably get back into it for 300,000 more shares. Dark Pulse got 500,000 shares twice, 0.017, and then it started as it's moving. Like I said, I like to buy into momentum. So 0.027. So we have 1 million shares of this. That means if this thing goes to 5 cents, we make 25, 30 grand. So got 1 million shares of that one. PPJE, we have 1.8 million shares, bought both at 0.005. It closed at 0.0051. Like I said, Jeff Schwartz is saying this is a day trade one. It's hard to trade penny stocks, day trade. I mean, if you have 1,000 shares or something and it goes up a tenth of a penny, it's $10. But if you have enough and there's enough momentum and volume, you can get out of them. Therapeutic Solution, kicking myself for selling this one too early, but I was, hey, you're up 60, 70%, get out. And then of course, 3 more cents, it would have been another 9 grand on this thing. But if you want to know how to make a lot of money when the Raja sells, just keep holding, because pretty much everything, look at, just all these, SCRI and Zom is like 280 today after, we sold out at $1. Like everything I sell out too early, I guess. So here's all our CCIV. I'll just scroll through these because it was, like I said, it was just endless. I was putting limit orders in, and CCIV dipped a little bit. So after hours today, it's down a little bit. Not much. This one was all over the price today. It got up for a little bit, was way down, hit the 30s, and then came right back. Here's the other IDX. That's all our trades today. But after hours, CCIV, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if it's just some, profit taking. People are nervous. Today it got as high as 30, like I said, 34.98. So it was up for the day actually for a second. But I don't know. It's hard to say. If you look at the chart, it doesn't look like a great chart right here. I don't know what happened. It came all the way down here to the $30.30. Then I was like, gosh, a little worried, but I think it's got some momentum. We just need to get one good update here. And you know what? We were just talking about, I think Naked is one. We need to see where Naked is after hours right now. Let's see how our Naked is doing. Every time we buy 10,000 shares of this after hours and we sell it in the morning for a profit. I think this one's going to set to have a nice comeback. So let's see here. Naked, 10,000 shares at 1.14. So it'll be a extended hours trade. All right. Fingers crossed. Oh, gonna select an action. I guess we should select buy. All right. Let's do it, guys. This order is being placed after hours. Boom. There we go. See if we got filled. These are the ones we sold. Let's see. Bought 10,000 filled. We got it, guys. We got it. So 10,000 shares of Naked, and we're off to the races with it. So now we got 50,000 shares. So let's see if we can flip these in the morning for a $1,000 bonus profit. So, but yeah, everything's looking really good. Like I said, great day in the market. I hope you guys are all doing good. But this is the big one, guys. Bitcoin through the roof. A lot of people talking about the Dogecoin, Dogcoin, whatever you want to call it, the meme coin. This one's 7.9. It's been all over the place. 7.9 here. Got as high as 8. I think this thing's a joke. I think most people will agree it's a joke. But hey, if you can make money with it, it's not a joke. If it pays the bills, then you do good. This is the real one here. I think Bitcoin's I think it's gonna come down a little bit. I don't know. What do you guys think? I almost feel like we should cash out a little bit. We got an $8,800 profit. I feel like we should sell it and make tomorrow. We could buy, Bitcoin drops to, 43,000. I think we could actually day trade this and take some chips out, make, get more Bitcoin just on the dip. What do you guys think? 46,264. I mean, this thing is just moving. Got as high as that 46.7, then bounced right off of it back down to like 45.7. And now this, but this is just such a massive move. Somebody's going to take some profits. Usually when this thing goes, it seems to like go and dip. So I don't know. What do you guys think? That is my question for you. What do you guys think we should do on it? What do you guys think? Steve says, thanks for that ABO tip on Friday stream, Jeff. Hey, ask Jeff who gave him that tip. The one and only Raja. I just didn't like that one. It was interesting. There's supposed to be some news coming out, but sometimes those, get you a little worried. You gotta watch those and stuff. So Satoshi's to take the profit, sell bit, buy back in AM, sell. I could buy it back later on tonight. It could be down. So now we just got to figure out where to go. Now it's 45.9. You think it's going to pop back to 46.2 here in a second? 45.8. I mean, this thing it's just crazy how fast this thing goes. Look at this 45.8. I mean, it's tanking on us. I don't know. Now where are we at? We're at 55.8. 58.4. Goes back up to 58. All right, let's say sell. All right, sell. We'll sell all. 45.5. Those are going to screw us. Sell now. We got 7,000 in profit. I'm happy. We'll look to buy this back on the dip. Otherwise, we'll be buying $100,000 on Friday or next Sunday. So, all right. So we got 58. Oops, there we go. Sold. Let's see here. Sure, transaction went through. Wow, the only person making money on Bitcoin is Coinbase. So 57.3, and I do know about the Coinbase Pro. Looking into it, don't worry, guys. But I'm happy. We're up 7,000. We were down 11 grand. We're up $7,000. So I can't complain. Maybe we'll buy 50,000 more in the Bitcoin tomorrow, and then we'll put 7,000 in some of these other ones. I don't know, but 18% up. I mean, that's just a huge jump. You got to take advantage of it and get out of there and stuff. Maybe we'll buy all Dogecoin with $57,000. So, but the good news is we got a profit. So Raja makes 2. Let's see how the futures are looking for tomorrow already. Down a little bit, not much, so pretty much flat. I mean, it's just crazy. This rally has to slow down. It just keeps coming and coming and coming. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think this rally is going to slow down, keep going? I mean, it's just been crazy. So Richard Cordova says ZOM is going way up. I got out 2 stocks. Trust me, there's so many of these lately. But it's just finding the next new one and stuff. Why can't I buy most of the ones you trade on Webull? So it doesn't. Unfortunately, Webull does not allow OTC stocks. Rex says Coinbase doesn't support Dogecoin. Where can you buy it? You can buy it on Webull. So if you're in the Webull challenge, you can buy it there. So and I'll put out the link for you guys. If you guys are doing the Webull challenge, even if you haven't started yet, make sure you sign up. There's the link for it and get your account. Stuart says, isn't this a big earnings week? Every week's been a big earnings week. Last week it was Amazon and who's the other big one? Amazon and Google. Week before that was Apple and Tesla and all those and stuff. So we've had a huge earnings. Earnings are looking really good and stuff. So Andy says ZOM peaked and dropped. I don't know. Let's look at the chart. Is that the consensus? I don't know. I mean, honestly, this stock was trading all this shares every day. Oh yeah, it is down quite a bit after hours. This stock was trading so much. This thing was doing 100 million shares a day, and the thing didn't even move a penny. I was like, what? Something is fishy going on here. But this thing's just going. So looking good, keeps going up. But I don't know. Yeah, 290 today. Now it's at 250. I don't know. These are just tough because once they're up there so high from where they've been, how do you they're tough decisions to make. So you just never know. Never know on those. Of course, Bitcoin, we get out. Now it's 46.1. I don't know. I'm not worried about it. We'll get back in this tomorrow or something. As soon as this thing is below, if it never goes below, oh, well, we missed it. If it goes below, we'll be right back in it. Like I said, thing is just moving. So like I said, it's okay to take profits. I never met a person who took their profits and lost money. So I know also Robinhood, you can buy crypto, the Dogecoin on Robinhood. One of my friends actually bought Robinhood when he opened his account. They gave him $1,000, like instant credit or something, and he bought the Dogecoin at like $1 or 2 cents or something, and then sold it at 7 cents. So he actually made like $5,000 before he even put any money in his account, or just got his account set up. So it's kind of funny, not funny, a good story, but interesting. So our Rad made 22% in about 30 minutes today on OCGN. That's a good one. Nice. Yeah, I mean, some of these are they're just blowing up. Just crazy how fast they're going. So Paul says, all drama from Trump hurt market last 4 years. I don't think I mean, the markets have done very well over the last 4 years, and this year with the the pandemic. But I think what it is also with these markets now is Biden doesn't. We know what Biden's going to do. We're not going to wake up tomorrow and Biden tweeted, some other country and shutting something down that nobody expected. So I think there's a little bit more stabilization. He also, if we put out this 1.9 trillion stimulus into the market, that's huge for the market. I mean, because you have to remember, that's just free money that's going to come into the marketplace, go to stores, people buying, and it's just going to keep going up and up and up. So, I mean, at some point, I wouldn't say it's a bubble, but at some point, stuff has to come down a little bit. I mean, but I don't know. I mean, they're trading based on earnings and different things. It's what you're seeing now is because of all this money, like I've said before, in the big markets. Then you're seeing the OTC stuff, which is over the counter, exploding now, and everyone's just shopping all the therapeutics, all the green energy, vaccinations, and new products in the OTC that have sat there and did nothing, and you have all these stocks that are just exploding. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. How does a stock that was 5 cents, company was worth $10 million, shoots up to 50 cents a dollar? Company's worth $1 billion overnight. This, most of these companies still have no profits and have nothing going on. So definitely interesting. You got to watch that. I'll leave that there for you guys. Look at this Bitcoin. It's just crazy to watch this. I mean, it's just like, it's giving me a headache now. So, but yeah, hopefully everyone did good on the Bitcoin. I'm happy. I was worried, we were down $11,000 at one point. So to actually be up now $7,500 feels good on our Bitcoin investment. Made a little money on it, but definitely lots of stuff happening. Andy says EV charging companies is where it's at with the US EV move. Definitely, those are going to do good. I mean, there's so many of them. It's crazy. So, what is everyone watching? There's 300 of you guys between YouTube and Facebook. What was your number one stock today? What did the best for you today? I'm curious. Jeremy Ellis says, "How is your slap shot and get down on ERBB? Nice jump today and very tradable during the day." So, look at that ERBB. And my slap shot's good. We played Thursday night. Had a good game. We lost 6-5-6. Close game. Last almost had it, but this one up American Green, 52-week high. So there's another one. Just like I said, there's finding these things in the and I like these things because you have a lot more potential for a stock to go from a penny to 5 cents, and you can make a lot of money than you do to have a stock go from $1 to $5 or from 100 to 500. So that's why these have been fun. And when the markets, start doing good. So American Green is engaged in the medical marijuana business. The company offers a line of products spanning and cultivation of tracking inventory for growers. So this kind of reminds me of this other one here in the marijuana business. I'll show you, Jeremy. Mass Roots that I used to have millions of shares of. And it was all of a sudden going up, kind of the same deal. Everybody jumping in on these. See where this one is today. Yeah, look at this one, up a little bit today. But, this was another stock that, a week ago was under 1/10 of a penny. Over here was maybe a month ago. I don't know. Somewhere here it was like, 3 of a penny. And then all of a sudden, right here, boom, 1 penny. And now almost 3 cents. See how high that one got today? 3 cents, 52-week high. Yeah. This was 6 cents here. It's crazy, guys. These things are just moving like no other. Look at this Bitcoin, 46.3. Guess we got out a little too early. Everybody says ZOM. Tim's big one was ZOM today. Phil Ridgway, OCGN. I know somebody's like, I just kicked myself for getting out too early. Carla, OCGN, and NVIV. Awesome. Marathon and Naked. Well, hopefully Naked. I'm looking for Naked to run. I almost want to buy some more Naked. We just bought 10,000 shares of it, but I feel like we need more. So same with with Jaguar. I don't know if we should average down or should it come back, and I'm happy. I got, like I said, between all my accounts, I have almost 150,000 shares of it. John, hey, I'm here. Thank God, we were all looking for you. Marjorie says stash. Is that marijuana stock, Marjorie? Not sure what that one is. Also, guys, big shout out to all my YouTube sponsors. I have access to those really cool emojis, so I hope you guys use those emojis. Thank you so much. But it's been crazy, guys. Look at these. What is Ride? Jeremy says Ride. Somebody has SOS. I like that for a stock name. SOS. What is that one? SOS. Sending out an SOS. I mean, this is crazy. This one's up 6% more in after hours. Look at that. That's terrific. All these guys, I mean, they're all just rocking. Jeff Schwartz, ABEO. You're welcome, Jeff. That was my pick. I said, Jeff. The guys in Boca said, this is the one. Jeff jumped on in. I didn't, of course. I was at $2.48 when he got in. And then today, a nice rally, a little rally on Friday. And then today, a really nice look after hours, even more. So many of them. Remember that was it CCVS we had? That one I sold out too early? Or CCVI? The one, CCVS. Oh, so bad with these. I can't remember. What was that one, guys? We had CCIV? Can't remember it here. Yeah. No, CCIV. Yeah, that one we're early into. But what was that other one we had? Remember it was like, it sat at like $5 forever. It didn't do anything. And then it just exploded. So another one that did good. But hey, guys, I hope you're all making lots of money in the marketplace. CCIV is the SPAC play. That one I know. But I can't think of the other one we had. It was, I just can't think of it. CTYX, that's the one we sold out today. But we had another one. It was around $5 a share. It hit $10. Or COVS. Hold on a second. Maybe it was COVS. It was what was that one? COVS. Yes, something like that. I can't think of it. I can't think of it. We'll just keep watching Bitcoin. Now I'm kicking myself. I sold out too soon. $500 too soon. Could have made some more money. But hey, guys, thank you so much for joining us live today. I hope you guys made lots of money in the market. Hopefully, come on, CCIV tomorrow. Let's see a new high. Let's back to 35. Let's get this thing going. Maybe get some news, put this thing to bed, make $500,000. But what's it? Hold on. Clovis, CLVS? Was that the one? God, I can't think of CLVS. Yeah, there it is. Clovis. This is the one. I couldn't think of the name. I was like, see, I knew I would think of it. Yeah, look at this one, guys, today. This is that one. Remember we had, we sat around, didn't do anything. And like, remember we had like $5 and it started going. And I think we got out. We made like a couple of $1,000 on it. And yeah, now today, $10 on this one. I mean, it's just insane that these things are doing. So, but hey, guys, the Webull Challenge, if you haven't got into it, you still got time. You get 4 free shares of stock. You can only start with $100. You can sign up, you get your account done. You can enter the contest on the last day of the month. It doesn't matter. It's for bragging rights to see who can turn $100 into the most money. And hey, thank you, Stuart, one of our YouTube sponsors. Best channel on YouTube. Thank you. Appreciate that very much. Tim Bow in the house, one of our YouTube sponsors. Thanks, Scott. And you guys, anybody can become a YouTube sponsor, has access to those really cool emojis. Also, guys, make sure you share, tell your friends about us. If you haven't subscribed yet, let everyone know, especially the people on Facebook. You guys, make sure you share this. Let everybody know. The more, the merrier. Also, our Patreon members, congratulations on all making so much money this week. I hope you guys are all taking advantage of this market run and some of my hot picks. They're doing really well. Like I said, my picks are for just to share with you guys, but Patreon members, you get them in real time. So if some of you have done really, really well, and some of you have done actually really, really well because you didn't sell when I sold, and you guys really did well, especially on a couple of these. But hey, guys, that's what I got for you. Tomorrow night, we have a live show and then live play from the casino. So thank you guys so much for joining us. Big shout out to the mod squad in the house. Best mods in the business. Thank you guys for all you do. And I will see you guys all after the market closes tomorrow. Take care and have a great